Hello teacher, my name is Marcela Budelo and continued with the presentation. I am talking about the importance of the normative and technical scientific regulation in the subject of development on such powerful energies that although they can help solve a problem, they also represent some risk for the human being. For example, the topic of the radiology and nuclear plants. It is well known that in matters of armament or medical it can be very useful. However, the misuse can generate another series of difficulties. So there is a need to establish regulation that try to control, protect, modify and guarantee its proper use, reducing to the maximum the levels of risk for society. In the same way, occupational hygiene is one of these branches that seeks to take care and protect the health of the workers, thus generating a professional optimization and development of life. Okay, we choose the SIC building, International Trade Center building in Bogotá, Colombia. The World Center to be analyzed is the International Trade Center building, also known as the Vivienda Tower. This building has multiplied demands and problems due to its age. Among these was the deterioration of the infrastructure in general. The years were visible inside, for example, the same elevators from 50 years ago were maintained. Otis ran with a capacity for 10 people. Inside it could be seen their lack of obtaining the control system. The facade of the building has been affected by physical, chemical phenomena which have generated degradation of the materials of facade, causing detachment of blocks of different sizes. Among the causes is the behavior and origin of the lessons and the talent systematic survey of the pathological process was carried out. Concrete and mortar samples were taken, pyrography and carbonation tests were carried out. The results obtained indicate that the main causes of the deterioration of the facade of the tower were cracking, carbonation, and sulfate attack caused by atmospheric pollution. Likewise, it was established that the degree of aggressiveness of these phenomena is directly related to the factors such as height, it's very height, depth of damage in relation to the pollution environment, the orientation of the facade, and climatic factors such as wind and rain. In addition, this construction generates a potential risk for the people who walk around the building and its 2,400 workers. Okay, teacher, thanks for your attention and goodbye.